If you are seeing a SIM failure message on your iPhone, you can follow these steps. First, launch your control center and turn on airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection and often fixes the issue right away. Next, launch settings, tap on general, then head over to the option about. Stay on that screen for a few seconds to check if a carrier update appears. If you see an update prompt, tap update. If a phone uses a physical SIM card, locate the SIM tray on the side of the phone. Use a SIM ejector tool or paperclip to remove the SIM card. Then carefully reinsert it to make sure it's seated properly. After that, check for any VPNs by going to Settings, General, and VPN and Device Management. If you are connected to any VPN, disable it. Next thing you want to do is click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, select Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, cellular, and network settings without deleting your personal data. If it's not fixed, update your iPhone software by heading back, click on Software Update. If any new updates are available, just update it. Another important step is performing a forced restart. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This reloads the system and can fix software-related SIM issues without deleting any data. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact your carrier as there may be network outage or an issue with their account or SIM that only they can resolve. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.